Hello, Danny Brown here for MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Here today looking at a new arrival. It's a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk, real classic boat for whaler, one of the biggest sellers. But take a look at a couple of the options on it. So this particular one has a white hull with chrome graphics for Boston Whaler. As you can see back here, really nice swim ladder with a grab bar for easy access. This one has the upgraded 115 horsepower Mercury. So have some nice rod holders on the back here, 4 across the back. This one is packaged with a galvanized swing tongue trailer. Also has the side rails. You got the bimini top here. And coming forward, you will see it also has a removable cooler with a backrest and cushion. And you also have a trolling motor panel here. So if you wanted to add a trolling motor, it's all set up and ready to go. I'm going to jump inside, show you the rest. So the 17 Montauk has a capacity for 7 people. It's got a 7 3-foot beam. As you say, loads of space back here in the cockpit. This seat package can face forward when you're running, has different positions. So you don't come up here, use it as a leaning post while you're running. And then it will come all the way back so you can sit facing backwards if you were fishing. This one's also equipped with a live well. This is an insulated live well to keep your bait alive. We also have the stereo package on here, so it's also already got a JL stereo with JL speakers. Coming forward, you see we have some storage in here. Storage which is drainable. It's also insulated, so you can use it as a cooler. And then this is your anchor locker up front. So this boat, total weight is 2,250 pounds. It has a top speed of 46 miles an hour, cruise around 23 miles an hour. It's got a 25-gallon fuel tank, and you're going to get just over 6.5 miles per gallon on this. Great little boat. It's here in Stuart, Florida. Feel free to come and take a look. Again, my name is Danny Brown. Feel free to give me a call, 561-800-4339. Thank you.